Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, welcome. My name is Shauna. I am a New York City based fashion model, visual artist, and of course makeup lover. I just got my hair done today and I wanted to sit down while my hair and my brows are freshly colored. And I recently purchased the Fluide Otherworldly palette. This is their Pride palette that they created, and it's their first eyeshadow palette. So I'm excited to play with this. I know the creative director of Fluide and they are a fabulous person, and I know that they would only put out something that is high quality. So I know I'm going to be happy with this. And it's kind of a cool color story. It does have some neutrals, but as you can see, it has some fun color pops as well. And even the neutrals I feel are not your expected neutrals. There definitely are some more orange toned ones. And this, I believe, has a reddish tone. I saw a video with using this, and it's kind of like a reddish brown. So yeah, I think I'm mainly going to focus on the oranges and the green because the outfit today that I'm going to wear afterward definitely has a lot of green. So I think that's going to be the dominant color on the lid. But yeah, I'm excited to play with this. I do believe this is a pressed glitter, which I'm usually not crazy about, but I may try that out. I mean, let me swatch that actually and see like if it needs a glitter adhesive or not. It's actually really pretty. I'm terrible at swatching, but yeah, it's actually really pretty. I probably won't get into that today, but I want to try that at some point because it is actually really pretty. And I think that it would need, yeah, I definitely would need an adhesive to stay in place, but I've definitely seen worse that would like just like, I mean, it's relatively staying in place. Like I had to kind of rub it to get it to move around. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Maybe one day I'll learn how to do these intros and not babble on, but anyway, let's get into the tutorial. First, I'm going in with the shade Stalactic, and this is a light matte orange shade, and I'm placing this in and above the crease and essentially using it as a transition shade. Which is a darker matte orange shade, and I'm placing this more so in the outer edge of the crease. I would say about the outer half, and this is just adding some depth and dimension to the look. Taking the shade Queerzar in the outer V and the outer section of the lid, and this is a matte reddish brown, and this is just once again deepening up, adding some dimension in the outer corner. My favorite shade from the palette, which is Galatea. This is a metallic green, and I feel like it's a pretty unique tone of green too. And I'm just placing this pretty much all over the lid, but not fully, just so that the previous shade can still show through. And now below the lid, I'm going in with the shade Mercurial, which is a matte brown. I feel like there's a bit of a reddish undertone in this as well, and I feel like it complements all the other tones really well. And now for the inner eye highlight color, I'm taking the shade Andromedase, which I love the names for all of these, by the way. I think they're really cute. And this is an orangish gold metallic shade. For the waterline, I'm going in with the House Labs Identify Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Priscilla, which is a pastel blue. And now I'm just curling my lashes, and then I will be going in with the Pacifica Beauty Vegan Collagen Mascara. Adding some warmth to the face with my Fenty bronzer, and now I'm going in with the Fluide Universal Gloss in the shade Jupiter, which is so pretty. It's like an orangish shade, and it could be used as a highlighter as well. It's really stunning, and this kind of product definitely works better using just your fingers. Double Down Cosmetics, the Fortune Highlighter, which is my go-to highlighter. It is a light gold that goes with pretty much any look. And now I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm in the shade Nearly Apricot. And I would definitely say that these are more of like a tinted lip balm. They definitely don't have a ton of pigment, but it adds a nice touch of a color. And this is the completed look. It's, for me, fairly soft, but I think it's really pretty, and I think it is going to go nicely with the outfit that I have on, or that I'm going to put on. And yes, I am wearing a bralette, but it just cuts off before you can actually see it, so I'm not naked. But anyway, not that that even matters. Anyway, I enjoy playing with the palette, and I forgot to mention that I also did pick up this Universal Gloss, which you can use as a highlighter, as a gloss on the lips. A lot of their Universal Glosses do have a lot of shimmer to them. This one I didn't find to have much of a shimmer, and I think it actually is beautiful as a blush. Like, it's like a peachy orange color that I think is perfect for summer. And yeah, I mean, as you can see in the pot, it does have some shimmer to it, but once you actually get it on your face, at least, or for me anyway, it didn't have a lot of sheen. But again, I think that as a blush, it's absolutely stunning. And yeah, I am pleased. I didn't have any issue with any of the colors. They blended very well. I would say that this one didn't show up too much, but then again, I think that's probably just because it's not, the tone is not that much darker than my skin tone, and it's just warmer. And I think that it is more of a transitional shade anyway, so it's not meant to be super pigmented. But yeah, they all worked really well. I didn't really experience any fallout with any of them. And yeah, I mean, as you can see, they perform well, they blended well. I'm just repeating myself at this point. So yes, I am going to go ahead and throw on my full look, so stay tuned for a few more seconds. If you are new here and not subscribed, please do subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell notification to get bell icon to get notifications when I post videos. I post 2 to 3 videos a week, and definitely soon would like to post more. I still have the video coming with the basics of doing makeup. I'm going to do a very simple look. I probably will just film it the next time that I do a casting, because that's essentially, honestly, the only time that I do like bare bones makeup. But I know that I have had a request for that, and I would be happy to go over the tools that I use, because really they're pretty much the same for any look that I do. So yes, I hope that you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing, what you have planned for the summer. I hope that we're able to do more this summer, get out more, enjoy life more. I'm still avoiding crowds. I'm in New York City, but I definitely am slowly starting to do more. So yes, hope you're well, hope you're enjoying life, and until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye!